Good day, entrepreneurs. Today we're talking about a struggle we all know too well: why your business isn't growing. Picture this. You've poured your heart and soul into your business, sacrificing weekends and sleep, yet you still feel stuck. That frustration is like hitting a wall over and over again. But there's hope, and we're here to uncover it together. Imagine this. Emma, the owner of a small coffee shop, the Coffee Collective, felt like she was running in circles. Business had been steady for years but wasn't improving. Loyal customers came back, but new faces were rare. Emma began questioning her decisions. But then, she decided to take a hard look at her business practices. She realized that sticking to the same traditional brewing methods wasn't helping her stand out in a crowded market. Therefore, she embraced innovation, experimenting with direct sourcing from farmers and new brewing techniques. The result? A revitalized brand and an influx of new customers eager to try something different. Emma's story is more than a single example. It's a reminder that growth requires adaptation and courage to challenge the status quo. Growth isn't just about profits. It's about energy, excitement, and progress. When it's missing, your team's morale suffers, and you may even feel like giving up. But here's the good news. By recognizing the barriers to growth, you can rewrite your story. At Catalyzo, we're here to provide no-fluff strategies to help small businesses thrive. Let's explore 5 key reasons businesses struggle to grow, paired with inspiring real-life solutions. First, businesses often get stuck in comfort zones. Complacency is the silent killer of growth. Emma's journey at the Coffee Collective is proof that stepping out of your comfort zone can bring transformation. Second, poor market research can hold you back. Baked by Melissa learned this the hard way. They struggled with sales until customer surveys revealed a desire for more gluten-free options. Therefore, they adjusted their menu, which led to a surge in sales. Third, inefficient systems and processes can drain resources. Tidy Up, a cleaning service, wasted countless hours on outdated scheduling systems. But then they adopted digital tools to streamline operations, improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Fourth, fear of risk-taking prevents bold moves. Brewdog, a craft brewery, took a massive leap by launching an equity crowdfunding campaign. Therefore, they raised over £7 million, expanding their reach globally. Lastly, a weak online presence in today's digital era can mean missing out on potential customers. Molly's Cupcakes embraced social media marketing to create engaging content. But without it, they would have missed out on significant foot traffic and online orders. Success isn't just about doing more, it's about doing better. Embrace a growth mindset and recognize that change isn't a threat, it's an opportunity. Here's how to start today. Dive into market research to truly understand your customers. Streamline processes with technology to save time and energy. Build a strong online presence. Take calculated risks that align with your vision. Network with peers to discover collaborative opportunities. Small businesses are the heartbeat of our economy. By breaking through growth barriers, you're not only lifting your business, you're contributing to a ripple effect of opportunity and innovation. Now it's your turn. What's holding your business back? Share your story in the comments so we can learn from each other. And don't forget to subscribe for our next video, where we'll explore practical strategies like leveraging social media ads and building loyalty programs. Remember, every business has challenges. It's how you respond to them that defines your success.